A very good morning to all the students of second standard A1 and A2. Welcome to my mathematics video class. Dear children, we are going to revise unit number 1, 2 and 3 for this third midterm exam that you are going to write. So before we begin our revision class, shall we have a word of prayer? Let's close our eyes and fold our hands. Dear Jesus, we thank you, dear Lord, for keeping us safe throughout the night and shown us this wonderful morning. Be with us and thank you, dear Lord, for taking care of us. Thank you for giving us this yet another opportunity to learn maths. Dear Lord, fill these children with the wisdom and knowledge that they can understand. They should understand and learn mathematics. We ask in Jesus' name. Amen. Okay, children, we are going to revise unit number 1, 2 and 3 for the third midterm examination. So listen carefully and learn all this today's portion what I am going to teach you in this video class. This will appear in the exam. If possible, please sit with your textbook, maths textbook, and mark down all the pages that are going to come for exam. So shall we begin? Okay. In unit number 1, that is lesson 1, and we are going to start with the revision from page number 2. Okay? Mark down that page that is coming for exam. Group the objects in twos and find whether they are even or odd number. One is done for you. Look at that. It is given. How clearly it's given. How many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the number 5 is written here. Okay? And then what you have to do is group in twos. That means you have to circle 2 pictures. Then again 2 pictures. And then 1 is left. That means if 1 is left, it's a odd number. So at the side you have to write odd number. So 5 is a odd number. Next one. Let's count the pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pictures are there. And then you have to circle 2, then next 2, then next 2, then next 2 and next 2. So equally it is divided in twos. So there is no other picture left extra. So it's a even number. So you have to write there. Even, I have already told you. This will come. I may change the pictures. I may change the number of pictures. So this page is coming for exam. Please take a note. Okay. Next we are going to revise. Okay. Next we are going to revise. Circle the odd and box the even number. See, page number 4 is coming for exam. Page number 4, circle the odd number and box the even number. So the number 1 is given there, 71. So 71 is a odd number, so you have to put a circle. I think I have already done these exercises for you. This is coming for exam. This from here and from here, both the topics, it will be coming for exam. Page number 4, circle the odd numbers and box the even numbers. Box means put a box around the even numbers. Okay. So that also is coming for exam. If I give 81, 66, 43, 84 like that, any number I can give. So you should know the numbers between 1 to 99, which is odd and which is even. Even numbers, what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. Skip counting in twos, you will get even numbers. And if you start with 1, let's repeat all the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, like that. So all those numbers are odd numbers. So you should know the difference between odd number and even number. I may also ask you to write some of the odd numbers between 10 to 20, or I may ask you write all the even numbers from 31, from 30 to 70. I may ask anything like that. So you should be prepared and you should learn and know the odd and even numbers. Okay. Then next page also, right? Look there, page number 5 is also coming for exam. Okay. Page number 5, it says write all the odd numbers between 30 and 60. Definitely this question will come. Write all the odd numbers between 30 and 60. So what are the odd numbers between 30 and 60? 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47 and 49, 51, 53, 55, 57 and 59. These are the odd numbers between 30 and 60. Then next question says, write all the even numbers between 70 and 99. So, you have to write 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96 and 98. So, I may ask you to write the even numbers or the odd numbers between any given number between 1 to 99. I will ask you, definitely that is coming for exam. And then check page number 4 also. I told you, write the next 5 even numbers. That will come for exam. Definitely. It's given. Write the next 5 even numbers. They will start with 24, then 26, then next will be dash, 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 dash. And you have to know after 24, 26, then 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. Keep counting in twos and you will get all the next 5 even numbers. Likewise, I may change. I may give little change of numbers. So you will write the even numbers between the given numbers. Okay. Write all the odd numbers also. Odd and even numbers between a given number. Okay. I have also taught you cardinal and ordinal numbers. What are cardinal numbers? Cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 32, 39, 72, 75, 78. All the numbers if you write, it is cardinal numbers. Any number between 1 to 100 or 200 or anything, any given number, simply if you write the number, it is a cardinal number. But if you write first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, TH, then I taught you first 1 and then ST, 2 and ND, 3 and RD. They are all ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Like that, if you keep on counting, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 31st, 32nd, 33rd, 45th, 75th, like that TH, RD and ND, if it is added to a given number, it is called a ordinal number. That is going to come for exam, definitely. And if I mix up the numbers, ordinal and cardinal, even and odd, if I mix and tell you to match the following, you should be able to match the numbers with a given name. Okay? Then, next you are going to learn page number 13 is definitely coming for exam. Take your page number 13. Yes. Draw the missing figures. It's given there. Draw the missing figures and complete a repeated addition fact. That is coming for exam. Page number 13 is coming for exam. Mark that one and tick mark and learn that. Draw the missing figures and complete repeated addition fact. That is, see, look at that page number 13. Yes, so many other 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4 plus 4, and then you have to write here 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, and then you have to count totally together and write the total number. Okay, then if some drawings are missing, you have to complete the drawing and write the answer. For example, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. This and this may be as a fill up, and you should know how to draw the given figure, and then you write, don't forget to write this one. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, 4 times 2, you will get answer 8. So when you complete this, you have to complete this also. This page is coming for exam. You have to learn. So revise this page number 13 also. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. So four are given there. Look there. All this you should revise. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is coming for exam. Okay. And next, page number 17. Take your page number 17. Okay. That is also going to come for exam. Page number 17. There is a box given. Look there. That is coming for exam. Page number 17. Read there. If grandma had 20 paniyarams and there are 4 children, how many paniyarams will each child get? So, complete the subtraction table. That is on page number 17. Complete the subtraction fact in the table given below. That will come as 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. And 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. This is definitely going to come for the exam. So please make a note of this revision that I am doing. This will come for your exam, that is third midterm exam. You should know how to minus that repeated minusing or subtraction of 4s. Okay. Okay. Page number 17. Find the rule and complete the pattern. Okay. Find the rule and complete the pattern. That is on page number 22. Take your page number 22 and look there. Find the rule and page number 21. Okay, sorry, not page 22. Page 21. Page 21. Find the rule and complete the pattern. Okay. 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. 22 plus 1, that means you keep on adding one number to the given number, you will get the next number. So 20 plus 1, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 22 plus 1, 23. Don't forget to write that plus 1. Okay. It's a given pattern and you have to complete the rule. Find the rule and complete the given pattern. Page number 21. Definitely it will come. The first and the second one. Okay. Okay. 38 plus minus 1 is also there. 38 minus 1, 37. 37 minus 1, 36. 36 minus 1, 35. 35 minus 1, 34. And so on. 34 minus 1, 33. 33 minus 1, 32. So all this will be given as minusing 1 or addition of 1. This will come for exam. Page number 21. Okay. Also, page number 23. Please note down all the pages that I am telling and revise. This is a revision video. This is a revision video class. I am revising so that this portion that I am teaching you today, definitely it will be coming for the exam. Afterwards, do not ask me for revision. I am not going to give you any revision. Now in this video I am revising everything that is going to come for the third midterm exam. So please watch this video, see this video, and you will know what is going to come for exam. Okay, page number 23. Go to page number 23. It is written, there it is written, write the number patterns for the given instruction. The last number is 21. The first number is 13. Suppose I write there and you have to add 2. Okay, 13 plus 2, 13 in the mind, 14, 15. 15 in the mind plus 2, 15, after 15, 16, 17. 17 in the mind plus 2, that means add 2. 17 in the mind and 2 in the fingers. 17, after 17, 18, 19. 19 in the mind and 2 in the fingers. After 19, 20, 21. So like that you have to keep on adding. The next that I am going to give is, look at the third sum. The middle number in the pattern is 45. The number previous to it is 40. So you have to write 35 plus, okay, 5. 35 in the mind, 5 in your fingers. After 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40 in the mind and 5 in your fingers. After 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 45 in your mind and 5 in your fingers. After 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 in the mind, add 5 to that. 50 plus 5, 50 in the mind, and 51, 52, 53, 54 and 55. So up to 55 you have to write that. These two sums are definitely going to come for the third midterm examination. Children, this is going to be a very easy exam if you revise everything that I am teaching you in this today's video. And the last topic that I am going to give you for this exam is, take your page number in the third unit. Okay, in the third unit definitely I am going to give you the fill-ups that I have already taught you. I will send you all this in your WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp, you watch the WhatsApp and see the fill-ups that I have given, and listen to the fill-ups that I am revising in today's class. And this will come for exam. For example, you will see that page number 30, 30, page number 30. Look there, small things can be, I can give you as fill-ups. Okay, small things can be weighed using simple balance. So if I give you dash things can be weighed using simple balance, small things. Small things can be used. So small is a fill-up word. Okay, next. Big things can be weighed using weighing machine. So big is the fill-up word. You should know the spelling of big and small. Okay. Okay. Big things can be weighed using the weighing machine. Next, fill-up. A simple balance has dash pans. It has 2 pans. Page number 30. Fill-ups will be from that page number 30 only. So if you read page number 30 carefully, you will know the fill-up words. Okay. Okay. Next, fill-up number 4. The pan with the heavier object comes down. So down is the fill-up word. D-O-W-N, down. The pan with the heavier object comes down. D-O-W-N, down. The next fill-up is, the pan with a lighter object goes up. It has a light weight, so it goes up. The pan goes up. So the pan with the lighter object goes up. UP, up. So you should know this fill-ups and write properly in the exam. I hope you enjoyed this revision class, and I hope that you will be revising all these pages that I told you. Take a note. Page number 2. it will come for exam. And page number 4. Okay, and page number 5. Okay, and next we are going to have page number 13 and page number 17. Okay, and page number, okay, next page number 21 and 23. Page number 21, 23. Okay, and fill-ups from page number 30. So children, it is going to be a very easy exam if you revise all the pages that I have taught you today. That's all for today's revision class. Today's revision video for revision for the exam, third midterm exam, which is going to be within 2 weeks. We will send you the timetable, and do not forget to revise the tables. Tables are also going to come for exam, especially table number 6 and 7 also will come for the third midterm examinations. So learn the tables, table number 6 and table number 7, learn thoroughly, and I will mix up the number and give you even a revision test or a revision class test, or it will come for the third midterm examination. Clear to all of you students? Bye bye, take care. Today we are going to have even the Zoom class, so get ready to listen to the Zoom class and also revise all the pages that I have given you for today's video class. Okay, bye bye. That's all for the exam portion. Bye bye, take care, have a good day.